I round the sound of my vowels. Hey, Patrick Munoz here, and in today's Say It With Me video, we're going to practice rounding our vowels. I'll start. I round the sound of my vowels. Now you. It helps to slow down and relax your jaw and your tongue. I round the sound of my vowels. Good. One last time, as if you are the world's leading elocution coach. I round the sound of my vowels. Excellent. Keep practicing that and have fun discovering the possibilities of your voice. I'm Patrick Munoz. Come back soon for more from the Voice Zone.